There are 3 files in this bundle, one teaching page for the interactive whiteboard or computer for one-to-one instructions, and 2 printable worksheets with answers. Starting with the teaching page, there are 2 buttons that randomize the fractions and the number of fish. The red button randomizes the denominator of the fraction from 2 to 5 and the number of fish up to 30, whilst the yellow button randomizes the denominator of the fraction from 5 to 9 and the number of fish up to 50. The number of columns of fish is always the same as the denominator of the fraction. The first task is to count the number of fish, ideally getting your pupils to use the concept of arrays by multiplying the number of columns by the number of rows. Enter the number on the calculator, then click in the space after the of, and if correct, a tick will appear. The numerator decides the number of columns we're going to select. We do this by choosing one of the colored pens, then clicking on the appropriate number of arrows at the base of the columns. We can now count the number of colored fish in the small array, and by using the calculator again, put in the number for the final answer and a tick will appear if correct. Worksheet 1 has got lots of practice questions with the denominator from 2 to 5 and the number of objects up to 30, whilst with worksheet 2 the denominators go from 5 to 9 and the total number of objects up to 50. And of course the answers are ready to be printed out immediately.